Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Hits again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Ocean credit card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Ocean Finance credit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in oceanfinance.co.uk like this and hit enter. And now to log into your Ocean Finance credit card account, you can see the credit cards option available over here. Click on that credit cards tab like this, and after you click on it, the sign in button will be available over here on the top right corner of your screen, just on the Ocean credit card account you can see. And let's click on sign in, and you'll be directed to the Capital One sign-in page of the credit card account, because the credit cards accounts on Ocean Finance are managed by Capital One. It's not to log into your Ocean One credit card account, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log in to your Ocean credit card account from over here. Or if you have not yet created an account, simply click on register to go through a procedure to register an account on Ocean credit cards. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can see the forgotten my username and the forgotten my password links available over here. If you click on this, depending upon which one you lost, you'll be directed to the page you can retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And guys, this is how you log into your Ocean credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.